How's it going, guys? Well, anyways, today the topic will be about Craigslist, how to post an ad on Craigslist, especially if you do construction, painting, or whatever. So, what you do is type in Craigslist. Mine is already here, Craigslist Portland. So, I press on that. Then, right here, you can search for stuff, but here you have to do create posting. Mine's Multnomah County. And then I usually put on service offered. You can put probably sale or whatever you want. So nowadays they charge $5. At least in Oregon they do. And maybe it's all the states, I don't know. I'm sure Oregon and Washington do for sure. So I'll be choosing for painting, so it'll be either labor or household service. So I'll go household service. And now I'm gonna type in my information here. What, like, title, painting, location, zip code, and all that good stuff. Next, I put painting here. You can put whatever you want. Location, zip code, what kind of stuff you do. Doesn't have to be painting, it can be whatever else. And then put your phone number here, extension, by phone, by text. Don't forget that. Don't click this. And then we go to continue. And then after this screen, you just push continue. You can put your address if you want to, but I don't recommend, but it's totally up to you. Then you push continue. So next you want to do is click on this add image if you want to put a photo or picture, whatever you want. If you don't, then you go to the next step, click on done with image, and then it'll take you to this page. So now it asks that you have to pay $5 for this ad. For like construction and businesses, you're gonna have to pay $5 at least. It's worth it than not posting it, and it's better this way because when it was free, people would abuse it and post a whole bunch of stuff, and then once you put your ad, 5-10 minutes go by or a day go by, it's like your ad is not up there. People can't see it anymore. So I kind of like that. They charge only $5. It's worth the $5. So yeah. Next, what you want to do is push. I can't show you the top, my information. So on the bottom it'll say, please visit your account homepage to manage this posting. So you click on that and it'll take you to the page.